In today's video, I'm going to teach you Grammarly icon is not showing in MS Word, how to fix Grammarly problem in MS Word, 5 minutes. If the Grammarly button or sidebar isn't appearing in Word, the most reliable fix is to add the Grammarly add-in directly from Microsoft Office Online. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get the icon back and start checking your writing right away. Start by opening Microsoft Office Online in your web browser. This is the official Microsoft site where you can access Word on the web. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Microsoft account so you can open and edit documents. Once you're on the Office Start page, open Word. You can select it from the app launcher or the list of apps on the home screen. Word will open in a new tab and bring you to the document screen. Create a blank document. A new empty page makes it easy to see the full toolbar and confirm that the add-in installs correctly. It also helps you test Grammarly on some sample text as soon as it's added. Make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you'll usually find the Grammarly icon once everything is set up, and it's also where we'll access the option to add it. Look for add-ins and click it. Depending on your version, it may appear as add-ins or get add-ins in the ribbon. If your ribbon looks condensed, you might need to expand it to see the full set of buttons. Clicking add-ins will open the Office add-ins window. In the add-ins window, search for Grammarly. Type the word Grammarly in the search box and press enter. You should see Grammarly for Microsoft Word in the results along with a brief description and rating. Click Add. Confirm any prompts that appear to grant the add-in permission to run in your document. After a moment, Grammarly will load and you should see the Grammarly icon appear in the Home tab or a Grammarly panel open on the right side of your document. If it doesn't appear immediately, give the page a second to refresh or briefly close and reopen the document. That's it. From here, you can click the Grammarly button to launch the checker, review suggestions, and fine-tune your writing. If you're using a work or school account and don't see the add button, your organization may restrict add-ins. In that case, you'll need an admin to allow Grammarly. Otherwise, this quick add-in method restores the missing icon in just a couple of minutes. Thanks for watching. If this helped, try a short test paragraph to confirm Grammarly is active, and you're good to go.